Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to download Adobe After Effects for free. So you're going to head over to your default browser, Chrome, like I would like to use. You're going to write After Effects. Then you will click on the first link that you find. Then you are going to be brought to this page here. Then all you need to do is to press here on free trial. It doesn't matter the type of payment that you put here, but it clearly states that you won't be charged until after your free trial day ends. Now all you need to do is to press continue, and then you press here on continue. You need to key in your email address. Say I key in my email address. Now after you click on your email address, you press on continue. You will be required to fill in your credit card details, but rest assured it won't cut any of your credit card money. As long as when the free day trial ends, you need to cancel the payment. Subscribe for more videos.